Running ads is expensive, but what if I told you there's a way to get free traffic to your Shopify store and keep it coming for months? In this video, I'll show you how to use SEO or search engine optimization to rank your store on Google, especially if you're selling trending products. We'll jump into one of my own stores, break down the SEO issues holding it back, and I'll show you guys a powerful tool that can help fix everything. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So let's talk about why SEO even matters for dropshipping. Here's why you should focus on it. In 2025, it's no secret that ad costs are rising and they keep going up. Your cost per clicks is up, competition is fierce, but SEO gives you a long-term edge. SEO brings traffic to your store that is not only free, but consistent, and it compounds over time. The higher you rank on Google, the more traffic you're gonna get, and the more sales you'll make as a result. Now, don't think of this like an overnight success. SEO oftentimes takes 3 to 6 months to implement, but it's real and sustainable. These are consistent sales that'll keep coming month after month. So now that you know that SEO is a free and sustainable way to rank your store higher on Google, let me show you a few examples. All right, so let's say you wanted to sell these mini projectors on your Shopify store. This is a hot and trending product right now, and I recently just talked about it on this channel, so let's go with it. If you go over to Google and type in the name of your product, you'll see a ton of different listings of your exact same product. We'll ignore these ones right up here at the top because these are sponsored listings, so they are paying for ads to show these at the top. But if we scroll down, you can see all of these organic results down here. You have Amazon listings, Walmart listings at the top. But if we keep scrolling, you're gonna come across some Shopify stores as well. You see a bunch of articles, a bunch of other stores, forums, and here's where you start to come across the Shopify stores. So if you were running this store right here, ideally you would wanna rank at the top of Google. You'd wanna be on page 1. That way when people type in the name of your product, they can find your brand instantly. Because let's be real, nobody's going through 7 or 8 pages of Google. So if you're not on the first page, nobody's gonna see your brand. So in order to fix the SEO problems on my Shopify store and rank my products higher on Google, I'm gonna download an app on my Shopify store called SEO Ant. This is an app built for Shopify that you can use to fix all the SEO issues on your store and rank higher. I'll leave a link for you guys down below. Go ahead and install it on your own store. I already have. I'll click open. And right away when we pull up SEO Ant, you can see that there's a ton of issues on my own store. I mean, I only have an SEO score of 66. We'll refresh the speed score right here. And it's just going to perform an overall website scan. It's gonna identify any issues that I need to fix on my store. And you can see the results right here. So I have a score of 97 on desktop, which is pretty good, but it's only 63 on mobile. That needs improvement, especially since most of my customers come from mobile devices. So this issue right here is probably losing me a ton of sales right now. And as you can see on our overall SEO score, we have 6 really important issues and just 6 that need improvement overall. And we can actually scroll down and see this overall checklist of everything we need to do. We're gonna optimize our images, we're gonna speed up our store, we're gonna use AI to optimize our on-page SEO, and then we're gonna bulk edit our meta tags on our store. And you can see all of these pending issues down here. We have over 1,400 images that need optimization and 227 pages. So we have a lot of work to do on this store. So that's why instead of trying to fix all of this manually, I just use SEO Ant. Like, watch how easy this is. So scroll back up to the top and let's get to work. Let's view our checklist right here and see what needs to get done. So we have 12 issues that need to be fixed, and we can fix all of them with one click with this button right here. We'll click that and we'll let SEO Ant do its thing. And we'll give it a little bit of time because this is a lot of items right here. So I'll get back to you once it's done. And also while we're waiting for that, I want to show you another cool feature that I've been using on SEO Ant. This is their keyword research tool. So they're going to show you all the different keywords that you're currently ranking on right now. They'll show you the search volume, your active traffic, your position on Google. Then we can go back up to the top. You can explore other keywords to rank and also some of your competitor stores. You can add your competition by just clicking this button right here. And also when you guys first log into SEO Ant, you guys can select your plan right here. They have a free plan, pro, a pre-plan, as well as their enterprise plan down here. I'm currently using the pre. It has everything I need for my own store, but select whichever one you need and makes sense for yours. I did reach out to them to see if I could get a discount code, and I was able to get you guys 40% off if you use code ALEX40. So make sure to take advantage of that before it expires. So now let's move over to speed optimization. And you can speed up your entire Shopify store with one click with this button right here. We'll go ahead and speed everything up now. Then we'll move over to image optimization over here. And you can see that it's cleaning up all the images on my website right now. I have almost 1,500 images that it needs to go through, so it is going to take some time. But based on the 74 that it already went through, it's saving me a ton of space and therefore making my website much faster. And you can scroll down and see all the images that it already optimized and the results down here. So now if we go over here on search appearance, it's gonna optimize all the text on our images, and you can see all the ones that it's already gone through down here. And you can see it's still optimizing right now, so we have to wait for that to go through and finish. But we can also go through and bulk edit our meta tags as well. We'll go ahead and turn these on. And you can see down here that it optimizes everything for us. Let's go over to link management now and edit our backlinks on our store. We'll turn on this button right here to automatically fix all the broken links on our store. And you can resolve any issues as they arise on here. And then you can even go on the backlink exchange and you can apply all of these backlinks down here to rank your store even higher on search engines. So now we're going to perform an on-page SEO scan. We'll select that tool down here under SEO Ant. You can view your rankings with this button right here like we already did. And another really cool feature is that you can actually make blog posts using AI. Check this out. We'll click on this button right here. You're gonna go ahead and select the products that you wanna mention in your blog post. Then we're gonna select our topic and keywords. We can go ahead and select all the recommended keywords that it comes up with for us. You can scroll through all of these topics and recommended keywords until you find some you like. Then we can select 5 and move on. We'll go ahead and select some competitor websites for reference. And we have some custom settings down here to tell AI what we want out of it. We can select our tone. We have expert, darling, inspirational, playful, sophisticated, persuasive, or supportive. I like to use persuasive a lot of the time. And then you can add any special instructions that you want to, like replace some words with emojis, or any other instructions that you want to use. So it's going to show you all the different products on your website, as well as the SEO score for each one. And you can see that I need improvement on every product. I have an SEO score of 30, 30, 13, 40. And you can actually fix all of this with one click. You can optimize all the content with this button right here. So it's going to show you everything that your product page lacks. We can go ahead and auto optimize with this button right here. And it's going to go ahead and fix all of this for us. And now that we did all of that, our SEO score is up to 83. That's a major improvement. We'll click save on that product page and we'll go on and do the rest of them. Now, another really cool feature about SEO Ant is that you can actually generate blog posts around these products by clicking on this button right here. So now that we have the product page optimized and ready to go, let's make a blog around it. You'll select your product and then the topic and keywords. Then you're going to select a couple competitor websites for reference. We'll choose an SEO friendly title. You can preview everything and publish it to your store. It's that simple. So I'm going to go through now and optimize each one of these products one by one on my store, and we'll see what happens after. All right, so now that I fully optimized the SEO on my Shopify store using SEO Ant, I'm reloading my website and it's already much faster. I'll check it on my phone as well, and same thing, the pages are loading much quicker. Now I know it takes a little bit of time to rank on Google, so I'll get back to you guys in a couple of months and we'll see if my products are ranking any higher. And hopefully I can start generating more free traffic on my store because I'm ranking higher on search engines. This is something you should be doing on every Shopify store you create. If you're selling products online and ignoring search engine optimization, you're missing out on a ton of sales. Like I already mentioned, if you're running a Shopify store, you should be focused on SEO early on. That way you can drive consistent traffic to your store for free and generate sales long term. Like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead and leave a link for SEO Ant down below. Go ahead and download that to your store, scan it, and see what issues you can fix today. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.